Hey everyone! The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra and Armor 28 Ultra Thermal are the latest rugged smartphones from Ulefone, officially unveiled with sales set to begin on March 17, 2025. These devices will be available through Amazon and the Ulefone official store, catering to users who need durability, high performance, and advanced imaging capabilities in extreme environments. At the core of the Armor 28 Ultra series is Dimensity 9000+5 GAI chipset, a high-end processor designed for superior performance and efficiency. Paired with 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage, the device offers ample space and lightning-fast multitasking capabilities. One of the standout features of the Armor 28 Ultra is its advanced camera system, designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. The phone boasts a 50 megapixels Sony IMX989 primary rear sensor with a 1-inch sensor size, delivering professional-grade image quality with enhanced light capture and detail. Accompanying this is a 50 megapixels ultra-clear selfie camera, ensuring high-resolution front-facing shots. Armor 28 Ultra Thermal distinguishes itself with its AI-powered thermal imaging system, which is tailored for industrial and professional use. Featuring a high-resolution 640 by 512 pixel thermal sensor, independent image signal processor, this system surpasses many dedicated thermal imaging devices. Ulefone has also incorporated an innovative dual display design in this series, equipping the Armor 28 Ultra with AMOLED screens on both the front and rear. These panels offer a peak brightness of 2,200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Additionally, the always-on display feature provides quick access to essential information without unlocking the device. Designed to endure the harshest conditions, the Armor 28 Ultra series carries IP68 and IP69K certifications, making it resistant to dust, heavy water exposure, and high-pressure sprays. This rugged construction makes it ideal for professionals working in extreme environments, such as construction, industrial sites, and outdoor expeditions. Whether it's water, dust, or accidental drops, Armor 28 Ultra is built to withstand elements. Battery life is another key strength of Armor 28 Ultra. Thanks to its massive 10,600 mAh battery, this high-capacity power source ensures extended usage time, making it ideal for long workdays or outdoor adventures without frequent recharging. Additionally, the device supports 120-watt wired flash charging and 50-watt wireless charging, allowing users to quickly power up and get back to work without long wait times. Although pricing details suggest that the Armor 28 Ultra Thermal will be available for under $1,500, Ulefone is offering exclusive discounts to those who sign up through their official website. With its powerful hardware, cutting-edge camera system, innovative thermal imaging, and ultra-durable design, the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra series is set to make a significant impact in the rugged smartphone market. This device caters to professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and users who demand top-tier performance in challenging environments, reinforcing Ulefone's reputation for producing some of the toughest smartphones on the market. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.